Hello friends, welcome to my video. Today I will show you how to buy Floki token, also how you can get commission refunds with the Binance referral code, that is, with the commission discount code, how to trade Floki, how to do KYC, how to deposit money on Binance Global. I'll show you step by step. Let's see together. Now I want to show you how to buy Floki on Binance Global. Firstly, we need referral code for commission rebate discount. This is exchangereferralcodes.com. Language is here. You will get information about crypto industry and cryptocurrency exchange. You should click this button. On this page, you should see my referral code here, my name and my code. With this code, you will get 20% kickback, up to $600 new user bonus. After, fill this form with email or phone, Google account, Apple account or Telegram account. So easy. Next, you should complete KYC approval on Binance Global. You should see here verified. With your mobile phone, with 1 minute or 30 seconds, you will complete this. Now, how to deposit money on Binance Global for buying Floki coin. Click deposit here, mobile and desktop same. Select your currency. Select here buy crypto easy way with debit card, GPay, Apple Pay. But you should careful about crypto regulation in your country. You should choose legal way. So we need Floki. For example, $1,000. Click here, Floki. After, click buy Floki button. When you want to sell with easy way, click sell and click sell Floki. So easy. So on market, we want to buy Floki. We need stablecoin, USDC or USDT. Click USDT, for example, $500. Add your debit card or MasterCard, Visa or GPay or Apple Payment and click buy USDT. So, where is market area on Binance Global? Mobile and desktop same. Here, markets. Click markets. Click spot. Search coin name here, Floki. Click USDT, Floki trade page here. Information about Floki here. Red color sellers, green colors buyers. This is current price of Floki. For buying fast way, click here, first red, $500 and click buy Floki. When you want to sell, here, for example, Floki raised this price. This is not trade advice, by the way, and click sell Floki. So easy, buying and selling. If you need more information about cryptocurrency industry, you should visit exchangereferralcodes.com or cryptocurrencyusa.net. Yes friends, this is how Floki is traded. Please check the Binance Academy link I left below. Learn about the industry. What are food, voter right, FOMO? Master all of these concepts. Learn how to read charts and perform analysis. If you dedicate some time, you can learn these. Please be careful of scammers on social media. Do not become a partner in anyone's risk. Don't forget Binance's official channels, social media accounts. Best regards, Emre Ata.